Every high-performance industrial device embodies design concepts, engineering ideas, and decades of practical experience. The core of Kuaimo Technology's production lies in the integration of precision, professional craftsmanship, and technological innovation. From the core roller brush components to comprehensive inspection before the machine leaves the factory, every detail is meticulously tuned to deliver consistent grinding results and extended equipment lifespan, effectively solving industry pain points such as unstable delivery times, grinding defects, and slow customization responses. Developed and produced in-house, we offer customized polishing solutions for wooden doors, American-style cabinets, carved and embossed panels, MDF boards, and UV primer-treated sheets, meeting industry standards of furniture factories worldwide. Supports personalized equipment, customization, and has a comprehensive global after-sales system, providing reliable woodworking and sanding solutions for furniture manufacturers around the world.